I have gained so much weight because I love to cook and love to eat, but it's gotten out of hand. I'm going to be 65 in a few more months. I cannot believe that I have let myself go like this. I'm determined to do something about it. What I want to target is this area right here. 15 years ago, I had liposuction. It was a mistake on my part. I had an incompetent plastic surgeon to do it, and she just really ruined my midsection. But if I'm very small, it's not as prominent. But I don't want to get really small again, but I am going to try to target this area to try to get it under control. This is day one. Oh, it's going to be rough, but I'm going to be disciplined and I'm going to do it. I will see you guys soon with some results, because I am going to take off some of this right here, but I want to keep that right there. I love working in the yard. I always have. When I was really in good shape, it was because I worked in the yard. So I started that back a couple of weeks ago, and it feels great. Being out here with my dogs. I know I look a mess this morning, it's okay, but I'm losing weight. Good morning. I am walking out here in my neighborhood. I feel fantastic. I have lost 10 pounds. I am enjoying this routine that I am on, walking about 2 to 3 times a week through my neighborhood. So let me get started, because I'm just warming up right now. I'm getting ready to do my fast-paced walking, and that's going to take some breathing. So I will be back with you guys to keep you updated on my progress. But right now, I'm super happy that I am chosen to have a healthier lifestyle, getting ready to turn 65.
Just tapping behind your foot, so I'll get you started. Give me 4 more singles, 4 and 3 and 2. Now skater is just step, come behind. And you know why I love these? Naturally, they bring you into some rotation. So what's happening? That means the waistline, your muscles on the side of your waist, on the side of your trunk, they just start acting right away. They get in on the action. Go ahead, take the arms around.
I am walking with Leslie. I love her videos. She is the one who leads the routines for the 1 mile walk, and that is one of the ways I have lost this weight, and I am so pleased with my progress. I look forward to doing it every morning. Come on, Leslie, let's do this.
Walking. It's the highest speed we're going to use in this whole program, okay? And I mean the whole program, all the 10-minute segments. So come on, feet. Feet, don't fail me. Step just like this. Out together, out together. And right away, we start sitting into it, so we use more thigh muscles. Okay, guys, let's get the feet working. Skater is just tap behind, okay? And look how the arms start to take you around. It happens naturally. You don't even have to think about it. Okay, but put some power into it. Come on, get around. Skater. Come on. Out together, out together, out together. Extend arms way out, way out. Bring them around. Come on. Your waistline's in that. Your rotator muscles. The obliques are in there.
And after Leslie has finished with me in my 1 mile walk, I'm ready to do some weightlifting, because keeping your muscles strong keeps you youthful and keeps you feeling great. So that's what I do for about 10 minutes. After I have done 15 minutes of walking a mile with high impact aerobics. Follow me. want to go too high. My fan's up there. Just want to fatigue my muscles a little bit, so I don't need to have to go real high. And I will see you all soon. I'm gonna finish out this 10 minutes and then go and take a hot shower and get out in my yard. Do some yard work. Woo, thank you. See you soon. I am so proud of my weight loss. My 65th birthday is in 3 days, and my daughter is going to give me an amazing hair transformation as well as a makeup application. So I am very excited about that, and I want you to join me so you can meet my lovely daughter, who is a master hairstylist and hair replacement artist as well. Thank you all for joining me on this weight loss journey. Stay tuned.